Good evening, everybody, and thank you for joining our Wednesday What's Happening segment here at Earth and Sky. We have so many things that are happening lately. We created our own segment for it. And so we have our Reiki Aquadin students that are graduating this Saturday. I'm so excited and so proud of each and every one of them. And we have a Reiki Shimfiden class that is starting on March 1st. This class is going to be on Mondays during the day. But tonight I want to talk to you about pendulums. We have some beautiful pendulums that have just arrived and getting ready for our pendulum class, which is going to be on March 11th. That's a Thursday from 6 to 8 p.m. In ancient Egypt and in Rome, the pendulums were often used for divining, for being able to ask certain questions, and used often as dowsing rods in a way to discover and find the subtle energies. In this pendulum class, you're going to learn how to choose a pendulum and how to know if that pendulum wants to work with you. It's a two-way relationship with pendulums, you know. And you're also going to learn about how to choose the questions to ask for your pendulum, because it's important to ask questions in the right way so you get the answers that you're seeking. Did you know pendulums can be used not only to ask questions, but also for healing? In this class, you're going to learn how to use pendulums in healing. I use pendulums both with Reiki and with shamanism. We did just get some new pendulums in the store here. You can see a couple of those there. If you want to get a pendulum in preparation for the class, if you're taking the class, you'll get 10% off. You'll notice the pendulum on the left side is actually hematite. The pendulum on the right side is epidote, which is a wonderful stone that helps healers. Epidote is often found inside prehnite, which is the stone that heals the healers. On that beautiful chain that is on those, it has all of the chakra stones. It's amazing. You'll see the ends once you come in. There's so many fun things that you can do with pendulums, and finding a pendulum that you love, that you're just so drawn to, is one of the first steps to building that relationship with the pendulum. Sometimes it's nice to have two, because as my elder shaman taught me, on occasion you might have a pendulum that doesn't really want to work with you on that day. Just as you may have noticed with some people that you normally like, there might be certain days that you just don't really want to work with them. So their pendulums can be the same way. We're going to uncover so many wonderful things in this pendulum class. Whether you work with pendulums already, or you're wanting to work with them, or you're not sure if you're doing it quite right, you're going to have all of those questions answered in this class. It's only $25, so it's a great way to spend the evening and learn a little bit more. We have so many beautiful pendulums in different types of stones. If you already have your own pendulum, that's fine too. This class will be taught online, as well as a limited number can be allowed in person here. So let us know what works best for you, and let us know in advance if you have any specific questions you'd like us to make sure we cover in the class. You can text that to us as well, or send us a message on YouTube or on Facebook. And I look so forward to talking to you about it. There's so much you're going to learn. I just love it. And I love, love, love using pendulums with healing. It's a great way to test the chakras, and you'll even learn in the class about pendulum mats. That can be a really interesting and helpful thing if you're wanting to ask different questions of your pendulums. All right, well, have a great night, everyone, and thank you so much. We love you here at Earth and Sky as we bid you adieu.